Hello, welcome back to my video. In today's video, I want to show you how to register a new Bitcoin mining platform. So you can use decentralized wallet that is operating on the Binance Smart Chain network to register for this platform. In this video, I am going to use Trust Wallet to show you how to register. So I am going to click on my Trust Wallet. If you haven't downloaded Trust Wallet, please download the Trust Wallet on your mobile phone and set it up. Now, this is a brand new Trust Wallet. As you can see, there is no cryptocurrency that is listed on this Trust Wallet. So I am going to try to add the cryptocurrencies that we need. Remember, we need minimum of 0.5 FNBTC and minimum of $15 worth of BNB for transaction. Okay, so click on manage crypto, and then on the search bar type USDT. So we need the USDT that is running on the BSC network. All right, so I am looking for USDT BNB Smart Chain. So you scroll down, you will see USDT BNB Smart Chain. Switch it on because we need that USDT BNB Smart Chain, and we need as well BNB for gas fee. So type in BNB and then you switch it on. So you can see BNB Smart Chain, switch it on. And then if you go back, you will notice that you have BNB and USDT on your list. So therefore, we are going to also add 3 more cryptocurrencies that they use in this registration. So we are going to add FNBTC, we are going to add NEWBTC, and we are going to add NEWUSD. So I am going to go and copy the contract addresses for that. So copy the contract address of FNBTC. Remember, this information has been given to you already in the link below this video description. Otherwise, I would have sent it to you as well for you to copy. Okay, so once you copy the contract address for FNBTC, all you need to do is to click manage crypto, and then here you click on add, and then you change this to BNB, and then you paste the address, and then it will automatically, it will automatically fill up the other information, and you will see that the FNBTC is there. So click import. So that is added to the list, and then the next thing you have to do is to go back again and copy the contract address for NEWBTC and add it again. So click on the plus sign, top right corner of your Trust Wallet, select BNB again, and then paste it. And then click import. And then you go back again and then add the last one, the NEWUSD. So copy that, go back, click plus sign, change the network to BNB, paste the address, and then click import. So therefore, everything should be on your list right now. So you can see that you now have BNB, USDT, FNBTC. These first 3 cryptocurrencies are very important for this platform. So once you got all of these, the next thing you have to do is to send minimum of $15 worth of BNB and minimum of 0.5 FNBTC to this wallet. Alternatively, if you cannot get FNBTC, you send your USDT BNB Smart Chain and swap it for FNBTC. So I am going to send $15 worth of BNB and 0.5 FNBTC. However, I am going to send it in USDT and I will swap it for that. So what you need to do, click into your BNB and select receive, and then copy the address, and then go to your Binance to send your BNB, or go to any other crypto exchange that can send BNB and send your BNB. When you finish sending BNB, you go back again to your wallet and select USDT, click receive, copy the address, and send USDT as well. This address. Remember, the minimum in terms of the 0.5 FNBTC, the equivalent of it in USDT is $40. So 40 USDT. As when I'm recording this video, the market value or market price is 40 USDT for 0.5 FNBTC. It may be a little bit higher or lower when you are registering, but just remember that you need to have 0.5 FNBTC. So right now you can see that I have sent my USDT BNB Smart Chain for $44, and I have also sent my BNB for Smart Chain for transaction at a minimum of $15, as you can see from there. So that is 0.02 BNB. So what I will then do next is to convert my USDT BNB Smart Chain to FNBTC, right? So click into USDT and then click swap, and then I want to swap my USDT and then change this to FNBTC. Select that. So that is what I want to swap it for. So if I click max, that will give me the total of FNBTC that I need. So I click continue and I click approve. And I click confirm swap. And then transaction is done. Okay. So what I will then do, I will now click back again, and then I should have my 0.6 FNBTC, and I should also have my BNB there. So what I will then do next is to copy the referral link of my sponsor. In this case, if I am your sponsor, it is my referral link that you have to copy, and my referral link is below this video description. So I want to copy my referral link. So this is my referral link. This is what you should be copying below this video description. So copy that and then go to your Trust Wallet, click on Discover, and click into the search or enter the app URL. Click into that and paste the referral link. Okay. So once you paste the address on the search bar under your Discover, you click on the first link. So click on the first link, and that will now take you into the platform. So the next thing you have to do is to click Connect Wallet to connect your wallet to the new platform. So click Connect Wallet and then select your wallet from the list. So it is going to be Trust Wallet. So I'm going to select Trust Wallet. So remember, and it doesn't respond, just restart your mobile phone, and then the network BNB Smart Chain will come up for you to select it. However, you need to click on the high risk the app again, and then click proceed anyway, and then check those two boxes to say you have read and understood the warning, and then click continue, and then you're going to click connect wallet. Okay, and that is going to connect your wallet just now. And then once your wallet is connected, you click on split fuel 0.0 type in 0.645. It could be more than this depending on the amount of money you want to use to start. And if you select all the pools, okay, pool 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then click approve. Once more, you are going to go through the high risk transaction. Click into that and click proceed anyway, and click check these boxes again. Now remember, this is Trust Wallet. If you are using Token Pocket, you may not have to click on all of these warnings. Okay, if you are using MetaMask Wallet, you may not have to click on all of these warnings. So right now, just click continue and then click approve, and then enter your password for your wallet, and then let it go through the blockchain. Then after the approval successful, click on mine now to complete your registration. Okay, so enter your wallet password and click confirm and approve, and then you will now see that mine enabled already is now activated, and you have already mined in this block. Please wait for the next block to become eligible again. So this is what you will see once you have completed your registration. Okay, if you don't see this message at the bottom, please remember that you have not completed the process. Then after this, the next thing you will do in the next 4 hours is to click on your main menu and click on claim wallet. You will see refunded fuel will become active for you to claim fuel refund, and you will also see your participation bonus will be automatically filled with the number of FNBTC you have been given, and the bonus fuel here will also be filled up with the quantity of FNBTC that they have given you as the bonus fuel. Just click on claim bonus, and then here click on claim fuel refund, and then once you have successfully clicked on those two, you now go back and click mine, and then repeat the same thing I have just showed you. Select split, enter the amount of your FNBTC, and then select all of them. Okay, select all of them, and then follow the steps again. So this is exactly how to register and how to continue mining every 4 hours, guys. So there you go, you have successfully registered using Trust Wallet. Now if you want to register with SafePower Wallet, MetaMask Wallet, or Token Pocket, it's the same process, but you may not be asked for certain warnings, okay, depending on the wallet you are using. So guys, so congrats, you are welcome to my team, and looking forward to seeing you in the group chats. If you are looking to register, the link to do so is below this video description. I will see you there.